September 21 presents Lucky Dog, written by Dr. Rod and Chew Yeh, illustrated by Chloe Ho, published by September 21 Enterprise Private Limited.
My name is Lucky, and I'm a lucky dog. And if you stick around for my story, you'll know why. It's not a fairy tale or anything of that scale. It's just moments that have made me wag my tail. I like to raid the fridge when I crave spare ribs, and then I'll act like Jerry did it if they throw a fit. I like when Master calls me and I rush down hall for a bowl of breakfast heaven waiting temptingly. That's why I'm a lucky, 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 lucky dog. I've got my humans wrapped around my little paws, you see, and I can never, ever, ever ask for more. The truth is I adore them just as they adore me. My missy is smart and sweet, swept off her feet. Out of her I can get any treat, and if my master's in bed, I'll try to give him a shake. Then softly and gently I'll slap him away, 'cause I miss them and need them each hour of the day. But they don't mind, 'cause they love me all of the way. That's why I'm a lucky, 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 lucky dog. I've got my humans wrapped around my little paws, you see, and I could never, ever, ever ask for more. The truth is I adore them just as they adore me. So my name is Lucky, and I'm a lucky dog. And if you stuck around for my story, you'll know why. It wasn't a fairy